You already have a screen recorder. It's the browser you've got open right now. You need to record your screen. A bug you have to show support. A lesson. A walkthrough for someone who keeps asking. So you go looking for software, a download page, an installer, an account. 20 minutes in, you still haven't recorded a single second. Here's the thing, the browser already ships this. Get Display Media captures your screen, a window, or a single tab. Media Recorder writes it into a WebM. Twilio just puts a start button on top, so the recording is made on your device, and stays on your device. Pick your audio system or tab audio, your microphone, or both. Hit start. That's the recorder running, with a live timer counting up. Hit stop, and the clip is right there. It plays inside the page, and the button next to it saves it as a WebM. Done. One file, on your machine, nothing uploaded anywhere. It's free, there's no sign up, and once the page is loaded it works offline. Links in the description.